So students, data frame creation, deletion by using pop and drop, okay, and the insertion of a row by using the append. So today's our discussion will be confined within these particular commands, okay, by using programs definitely, okay, that is the thing. So we will just go one by one those programs and all, and we'll see that how the things has been taken place. First of all, the data frame creation, okay, you all know how to do it, okay, by using a dictionary we are doing it, okay. Import pandas and speedy at the very beginning. Pandas or speedy means if this is the important package, this package if you don't uh, import, then in that case what will happen, the data frame command you will not be able to use. Here a simple data frame creation has been displayed, that is registration number is the one column, okay, and name is the another column, okay, and marks percentage is another column. So here in dictionary whatever has been displayed out here, so it will be considered as a column only. All right, so and it will have its default index unless until and unless we are putting any index along with the data frame, fine. So it will have its own index. Okay, let us execute and see the creation of data frame once. Okay, so now you see out here how this data frame will be taken, okay, this is the creation. Okay, so while creating this one is simply the dictionary pattern you have to follow, that it will be confined within a pair of curly braces first of all, and the rest of the things will be written in the form of key value pair. This is the key is here the registration number, as well as here the values are over here you can see, and this is the another is name, and these are the things, okay, and marks is there, and these are the marks actually. So these are all actually given as a given as a column. Okay, so the columns are being printed, you can see, though even it is written horizontally, but if when it will be represented in the form of output, then it will be shown in this way, fine. So marks percentage, name and registration number has one by one distributed in the columnar format. All right, so the main command is what? Df pd.dataframe my data. My data is actually is a dictionary, but this dictionary has been converted into data frame object by putting it inside the parenthesis of data frame function. All right, so now next what we will do, that we will see the appending over here as well as the deletion. But before going to the appending, we will go to the deletion once, and we will see that how the program works. Okay, so you see out here deletion from data frame. Here we are using the two different commands. Okay, one is the pop, another is the drop, just to make you understand what is the difference between drop and pop. Okay, so this is not the thing, this is the row added, this is the deletion of course. Okay, and the thing is that another program is also there. This is the one drop and pop. Okay, so previously also that this drop command I had discussed, but now just to revise the things and to recollect the programs, I have again deleting, and I am using I am demonstrating this program once again. Okay, so the thing is that you see how the deletion takes place over here. Okay, you can see clearly out here the two programs side by side. So here also delete column. So one thing, this program is very important. If you see this program, you will understand it easily. How? Because here every part has been documented. So this is called program documentation. So I have given in the form of remarks. So deletion using drop command, and deletion from data frame by using the pop command, you can see out here. So you see the difference between these two. Here this much things you have to written, but with pop we don't need to write anything. Okay, okay, so and execution wise also you cannot make out that which command I have used, but once you see the program, then you will be able to understand. All right, so now you see the thing drop df marks drop. I have used chemistry axis one. Axis one is means column. All right, and then in place is true. Okay, so this is the thing. So now drop chemistry, okay, axis equals to 1, in place 2. This in place is very important in drop command, because if you keep in place false, the particular program will not function. Okay, so and the deletion will not occur, and here nothing to be given, just directly like pop man chemistry. Okay, just you see the things, this chemistry column will be deleted. Any other column name also you can give if you want to remove. All right, let us see its execution once. Okay, on module I'm doing it. Okay, so the thing is that let's see the when the data out, when the output will come, you will be able to analyze. Okay, you see this is the original data frame that we have done over here, and this is the data frame after deletion column, after deleting the column. Okay, what column is not there? Chemistry is not available, algebra is there, names are there, physics is there. All right, this is the thing. Okay, now we're coming over here. This particular thing, I'm just executing this program. Okay, so now executing this program. See, the identical output has taken place out here. No difference in the output. If you want to analyze, you can see out here no difference. Okay, so both the programs have given the same output. So now at this at this point, what could I say? That both are same, but the way of functioning is different. Okay, so here the in place, this particular attribute you can see out here, this particular attribute is very it is decisive actually. Okay, let's see now when we will delete these things, when we will delete it by using this particular thing by in place false, what is happening in fact. Okay, so keeping it out here. So in place is a command, so which actually what actually works, what is an attribute actually of the drop command. So now we are trying to delete it by using this. Let's see. Okay, now click on OK. um, so it is see, so it has not been deleted. You see, it's have kept the in place false. Okay, that is actually the part. Okay, so the deletion will not take place when you are giving the in place false way in the drop command. Fine, so it has not been deleted, nothing has been deleted out here. Only when you will give the in place true, in that case only it will be deleted. Fine, so that is the thing. Okay, so now you execute this program and you will be able to see, click on OK. I will be able to see that it is how it is functioning. All right, so now you see it is clearly. So move and all has been, is not there, chemistry column is not there in fact. Okay, so in this way, whenever whatever you want to delete something in the question, it has been given that a particular column, a specific column to be deleted. You can do it in this way, either by using the pop command or by using the drop command. Okay, if you are using the drop, this many things you have to write. So first it will take the parameter, it will take three parameter. In fact, one is the chemistry, that is the name of the column. Okay, and it will take the axis, means like axis is one, means it is actually axis 0 is for row, axis 1 is for column. All right, and in place you have to give true. Okay, so these three attributes are to be fulfilled whenever you are using the drop command, but for pop command it is not required, only the name of the column will be sufficient. Okay, that is the difference between drop and pop. Okay, so that is the thing. So if the question comes drop and pop, I think you will be able to write it. Okay, so I don't think so. I don't think so. You will not be able to write. You will be able to write definitely. By what is the difference between drop and pop? A very vital question may be asked in the board as well as in your exam. Fine. So with that particular aspect, so I have developed these two programs just to show you the difference. Okay. So in fact, while execution, no difference have been pointed out. It is all the same. It is all the same. So what is the difference? Only the difference is in the parameter. Way of functioning is same. All right. So difference is in the number of parameters. There is no parameters, only one parameter. I mean, here is the name of the column. Here is the name of the column. Axis you have to mention. You have to mention the index attribute also. So these are the deletion from the things from the data frame column. All right, clear? So I don't think so you'll have any doubt out here. So you go through the programs, analyze it, and practical implementation is very important for all the programs. Okay, because these are the part of theory also, and these are the part of your practical also at the same time. Fine. Okay, now let us come over there. One another program is there, that is the appending data. Okay, adding a new row. Okay, adding a new row, that is the import pandas as PD as usual. Okay, a data frame has been taken with the four keys. Okay, that is the name, physics, chemistry, algebra. Okay, these four commands have been, these four things have been taken. Created data frame is of course there. Okay, created data frame is of course there, and a new row has been taken out here. You can see out here a new row has been taken. Okay, so why this command, why this particular program is so important, that I am going to tell you. Okay, this the insertion has taken place by appending. Okay, appending of data. Fine, appending the row, I mean. All right, so here the state has been taken, name is geo because geo has come over here. Okay, actually physics means the physics marks 87 has been added over here. Okay, and chemistry has been given over here, and algebra has been given over here, means the four key value pairs are there, has been taken in the form of a dictionary. Okay, and that has been added over here. Where it has been added? Here the df marks append row, because the data frame is already created as df marks. Okay, so this same df marks has been updated with the append command. Out here you can see df underscore marks dot append, then new row. New row is what? This is the new row, and here is the ignore index true. That is very important. If you're keeping, like you have seen in deletion in place, here it is ignore index true. Okay, ignore index is the key, is the decisive here. Okay, so ignore index if you're keeping false, so the new row will not be add new row will not be appended, rather added. Okay, so what is happening out here, you can see. Hmm, this though even we have taken in the form of a dictionary, but it is going, it is actually the not individual column, definitely no idea, no doubt about it, but it is going over here and has been appended over there. Okay, so appended ray to the data frame, row to the data frame is the here is taken place by using this command. If you are keeping this one is false, if no data, no append will take place, means the row will not be added, new row will not be added. So I'm executing this program, you can see out here how the execution takes place. Okay, so you see that this is the existing data frame, this was the existing data frame, and here the new row has been added as geo. Okay, you can see out here clearly. Now the same thing I will do by using the index false, ignore index false, sorry, false. One thing is very important, when you are typing the true and false, if it does not appear in the purple color, in that case what will happen, that is wrong. Okay, so you have to maintain, so color codes are very important. You can see that as I'm not writing in the using color. Whenever I am writing this command, automatically Python takes this color codes. All right, so that is very important, you have to follow. You see all the remarks are coming in red color. Okay, that is also a part of Python execution. Okay, so I'm executing by keeping this in ignore index false. Okay, fine. So this one, when I'm executing, so what is coming as the fact, you see out here. Okay, so it is out here, it is saying the type error. Okay, what is the thing, is called a type error. So type error is also there, error finding also is there, you can find out. Okay, can only send a series if the ignore index is true. Okay, ignore index for false will not happen. Okay, that is clearly mentioned out here. Type error can only append a series if ignore index is true, if the series has a name. Okay, what does it say? The type error says that you can only append if ignore index true, clearly saying. But in case of in place, it does not show anything. Okay, in place false and all. Okay, in case of deletion we have seen, but here it is simply generating an error message, making alert to us, to the programmer, that ignore index only has to kept true, it cannot be kept as false. So this is a part of your error finding also. Okay, that is the thing. So this particular thing has to be noted. Okay, and you can keep a note of it. Okay, ignore index, if it is you are keeping false, in that case type error will appear. Okay, now the thing is that if it is true, then the thing is, sorry, true, then what will happen, simple append will take place. You see out here, so the output has appeared, I think. Yeah, it has been appeared. So this is the result with the ignore index false, this is the ignore index true, so it has been added out here, you can see. Okay, that is the thing. So these are the few things today you had learned. Okay, and definitely do the practical implementation of this particular commands. As I've told you, in place and ignore index are the vital one out here, so you must do it definitely. Okay, otherwise what will happen, you will not have, you will have problem. Okay, while finding the errors. Okay, while inserting the rows and while deletion the rows. And the one thing you will do very nicely, what is the difference between delete and drop, sorry, pop and drop command, in order to delete a row in a data frame. All right, so that is why it is very important these programs are. So so I have demonstrated these programs today to you, and you must do its practical implementation also, and study these programs also, and try to generate identical programs of your in your style, and do this again. All right, till then, thank you.